Assalamu alaikum, my lovely learners. I'm back again with the Jolly Phonics Group 6. I hope you all have practiced your previous sounds. Give me a thumbs up. Say yes. Have you? Okay, wonderful. So Jolly Phonics Group 6, as always, just like any other group, has 6 sounds. You all know Jolly Phonics, there are 7 groups and each group has 6 sounds. So group 6, the first sound is Y. Letter Y says Y. Y, as if you are eating yogurt from a bowl. Y says Y. Y. X says X. X. Then comes the digraph. Ch. CH combined together to give you the sound Ch. Ch. SH combined together to give you the digraph Sh. Sh. What is a digraph? 2 letters making one sound. 2 letters making one sound. Then comes V, F, the voiced and the unvoiced. TH, 2 letters combined together to give you one sound. V, F, V, F. I know, a little tricky, but yes, you can master it. In V, the tongue remains inside the mouth, and in the voiced one, F, it comes out. So voiced and unvoiced. V, F, V, F. So these were the sounds of Jolly Phonics Group 6. If you liked this video, please press the like, subscribe button and show it to your near and dear ones, especially the children around you. They might learn a thing or two. Thank you.